here I'm going to tell you how to make normal momos as well as the fry momos with the chutney. So do see the video till the end, guys. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be sharing how to make veg momos. So first let's have a look at the ingredients that we require for the filling. So here I've taken 2 large carrots which I've grated. I've taken 1 medium sized cabbage which you can grate it or you can finely chop it. Then I've taken 1 large sized onion which I have finely chopped. 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves finely chopped, salt as per taste, 1 green chili finely chopped, 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, half teaspoon of black pepper powder and 1 tablespoon of garlic which I have finely chopped, and we require 2 tablespoons of oil. So let's get started. So let's have a look at the ingredients that we require for making the dough so that we can make it and keep it aside and let it rest for 10 minutes. So here I have taken 2 cups of maida, salt as per taste, and I have taken 1 tablespoon of oil. So let's make the dough. So to make the dough, first we add in salt to maida. Then we'll add in 1 tablespoon of oil to this. And after adding oil, we'll have to mix it properly. And then we have to knead it into a soft dough using water. So mix it properly. So now we will add in water as per required and we'll have to knead it into a soft dough. So now you can see that our dough is ready. So now we will let it rest for around 10 minutes. So by the time, let's make the filling.
Now to this
So
pan,
to make the filling, here I have taken a pan. Now to this I'll be adding in 1 tablespoon of oil. So after the oil is heated, we have added in the garlic. Now to this we'll add in the green chilies also. Make sure that you keep the flame between medium and high. And now saute it for few seconds. After around 10 seconds, now we'll add in the vegetables to this. So first we are adding in the chopped onions. So we have added the onions. Now to this we'll add in the chopped cabbage. And then in goes the carrot also. And now we'll mix it properly. So now we'll mix it properly. Mix it for around a minute and make sure that the flame is between high and medium. After mixing it for around a minute, we'll add in the soya sauce to this. And we'll add in the black pepper powder. And then we add in salt as per taste. And then we add in our coriander leaves. And now mix it properly. Now you can see that our fillings is ready. So now we'll remove it and let's make the momos. So to make the momos, here we have made small balls out of the dough. And now we'll take one of the ball. And then we'll have to roll it. So we'll roll it. So now we have rolled it. Now to this we'll be adding the filling at the center. So add in properly. Don't add too much quantity. And now we'll just take it in our hands. And then we'll have to make plates. You can see how it has been made. So we'll make plates out of it. And now you can see that our momo is ready. So you can see how it looks. And similarly, we'll make rest all momos.
That our momos are ready. We have made all the momos. So now we'll have to cook it.
So now to cook the momos, here I've taken a vessel. Now to this I've added some water. And now we will let it heat and make sure that you keep the flame between medium and high. And now we'll have to add in the momo. So here I'm using an idli stand. Now to this we have applied some oil. We'll be putting this stand in the vessel in which we had added water. So now to this we'll keep our momos. And then we'll put it in the vessel. So now to this vessel we'll be adding in our idli stands. And we had applied oil on its base so that the momos don't stick on it. So now after adding it, we'll close it and we'll let it cook for around 7 to 10 minutes. So by the time our momos are getting cooked, let's make the chutney. So to make the chutney, here I've taken 1 tablespoon of oil, I've taken 7 red chili, I've taken 2 tomatoes which I have sliced like this, salt as per taste. We require 1 teaspoon of sugar. Here I've taken 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger and 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. Then let's make the chutney. I forgot to tell that we have to add 2 more ingredients. So here I have taken 1 teaspoon of soya sauce and I have taken half teaspoon of vinegar. So let's make the chutney. So to make the chutney, here I have taken a vessel and we have added some water, and after the water starts to boil, we'll be adding in the red chili and then we'll add in the tomatoes and we'll let it cook for around 5 to 6 minutes at a medium to high flame. So now you can see that our tomatoes have cooked and the skin has started to come out. So now we'll remove it and we'll drain it. So now we have drained it and now we will let it cool down. Now we'll have to remove the skin of the tomatoes, so we'll just peel it off. And now it has cooled down and it is ready to be grinded. So we have grinded it. You can see the consistency. Now let's make the chutney. So here I've taken a pan and now to this I'll be adding in 1 tablespoon of oil. So after the oil is heated, we'll add in the chopped garlic. And then we'll add in the chopped ginger. Saute it for few seconds. Make sure that you keep the flame at medium. Now to this we'll add in the soya sauce. And then we'll add in the paste that we had made. Saute it. So now we'll mix it properly. And now to this we'll be adding in the vinegar. Then we'll add in the sugar. Mix it well. And now we'll add in salt as per taste. And now mix it properly. And now we'll have to cook it for 2 to 3 minutes more. And then the chutney will be ready. You can store this chutney in an airtight container for 3 days in refrigerator.
You can see that our chutney is ready.
It took around 2 minutes to cook it. So it's ready to be served and you can remove it for serving. So now after 7 to 10 minutes I am opening the cover and you can see that our momos are ready. So we'll remove it. So here our momos are ready. You can see how it looks. We are going to fry the momos as well. So let's fry it and let's serve both of them together. So to make fry momos, here I have taken oil. And then after the oil is heated, we are going to fry the momos. So after the oil is heated, we are adding in the momos. And we'll let it fry at a low flame. So now our fried momos are ready. So now we'll remove it for serving. So now you can see that our fry momos are also ready. So you can either make the normal momos or you can fry them. So don't forget to give it a like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Thank you guys for watching my video.